Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Classroom screen and signing in with your school credentials or using guest mode if needed. Once done, connect your projector or interactive display using HDMI or wireless casting and select the correct input. Create a new screen immediately and add core widgets: clock, timer, text, QR code, and background, so you can share clear information fast. Make sure to name the screen and save it to your dashboard for quick retrieval later. Now focus on the middle steps. Configure each widget to suit your lesson. Resize and position them to match a 16:9 projector layout, keeping the timer and instructions prominent so students glance and understand. Use Classroom screen tools like the traffic light and sound meter for behavior, plus the random name picker to call on students fairly. Once done, customize the background to reduce distraction, hide any private data, and lock the layout to prevent accidental changes during class. Finish by entering presenter mode and casting or projecting the screen. Test audio and touch interactions so everything responds during class. Save your screen as a template for future lessons and share the QR code or link so students can access resources instantly. This saves minutes at the start of every session. If you encounter issues, try a quick troubleshooting step. Verify the network and device connection, switch to HDMI if wireless is flaky, or restart the browser tab. That simple sequence fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.